arrived here in Manila from Baguio City, and we're going to have our dinner here at Soler, Quezon City. Fresh. This is the North Soler. Fresh at Quezon City. First time here. First time ko dito kumain. Ikot lang muna. Then we'll have our dinner. This is located in Quezon City. Soler. Fresh Soler, Quezon City. The other Soler is at yung isang Soler, saan ba yun? Pasay? Parañaque. Doon tayo lagi.